Hello, this is how to create a course module using D2L. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down to our course down here. There we are. And we're going to go up here to content. And then from here, we're going to go down to add a module. And we can just name it something simple like week number 1. And then from here you can have a bunch of drop-down actions, so you can edit the title, or you can go ahead and move it somewhere else, or you can delete the module and some other complicated options there. So we can add dates and restrictions, and then we can add a description here. There we are. And then we can also add new parts to this module, such as a quiz here. So we can add the title of the quiz, and then put instructions down there. And then from here you're going to save. And you can unhide these and hide these at will. So when they are relevant, you can make them visible to the users. Here's learning objectives. Those are important. And then you can have summaries of completions, and then you've got the grade over in this area. So then we can go back. And here we are back at week 1. And here we are again with the ability to change dates and things there. And we can add a sub-module. And we can do the same thing with adding a quiz or something like that, but under this part of the module there. Alright, I hope that this has been a helpful tutorial for you.